Welcome to our channel. If you have watched the previous educational videos uploaded on the channel, such as how gold is made in the earth, how gasoline is made from crude oil, how aluminum Coca-Cola cans are made, or how McDonald's hamburger meat is made, and many more, you would agree that Need4Knowledge is here to make it fun for you to watch educational videos every single day and share knowledge and expertise on a variety of topics. If you haven't watched those videos, we don't want you to miss out on the value they provide, so take some time to watch them. The videos on this channel will be similar to the How It's Made television series and will undoubtedly meet your needs. Whether you're looking to learn a new skill or just want to expand your knowledge on a particular subject, you'll find something here that interests you. On this channel, you can expect to find videos on a wide range of topics, including how sheep wool is harvested and processed, how cheese is made, how the world's most expensive mango is made, how salmon is caught or farmed, and many more. This is going to be an interesting and educational adventure, so sit back and enjoy the ride. We are passionate about learning and sharing information, and we hope to inspire others to do the same through the content we will be uploading daily. In each of the videos, we will be providing in-depth explanations and practical tips to help you learn about the process of creation that takes place in the factory and understand the hard work, sophistication, and attention to detail that go into the creation of some things you see around you. New content every day, so there's always something new to learn. We can't wait to share our knowledge with you and help you achieve your learning goals. Thank you for watching this introductory episode of Need4Knowledge, and we will see you in the next one. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for new videos.